Hello, dear little hearts. Welcome back to Dear Little Hearts, where every day becomes a happy adventure. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Now grab your sun hat and come along, because today is Peppa's summer beach party. One bright summer morning, Peppa woke up to warm sunshine shining through her window. "George, it's a perfect beach day," she said excitedly. George hugged his dinosaur. "Beach! Splash!" Mommy Pig smiled. "We're going to the beach today." Peppa jumped with joy. A beach party! The sand was soft and warm. The waves rolled gently onto the shore. Peppa's friends soon arrived. Susie Sheep, Danny Dog, Rebecca Rabbit, Pedro Pony. Everyone brought something special. Buckets, spades, beach bowls, and colorful umbrellas. Peppa clapped. "Let's make this the best beach party ever." Peppa and her friends began building a giant sandcastle. They worked together, scooping sand, pouring water, shaping towers. George made a tiny dino castle. Peppa laughed. "It's perfect." Soon, they had a huge sandy castle with flags made from shells. Then it was time for water play. They ran toward the waves. Splash! Splash! Peppa jumped over small waves. George giggled as the water tickled his toes. Danny Dog splashed everyone. "Oh, Danny!" Peppa laughed. Suddenly, a big wave rolled in. Whoosh! Part of the sandcastle washed away. Rebecca Rabbit looked sad. "Our castle." Peppa paused. Then she smiled gently. "That's okay. Let's build it again together." Everyone nodded. This time, they built an even bigger castle. Stronger walls, taller towers, more decorations. They learned how to work carefully and patiently. Mommy Pig said, "Sometimes starting again makes things even better." After playing, everyone sat together on a picnic blanket. There were juicy fruits, sandwiches, and cool drinks. Peppa looked around. Her friends were smiling. The sun was shining. The waves were singing softly. "This is the happiest day ever," she said. As the sun began to set, the sky turned orange and pink. The beach looked magical. Peppa and George sat quietly. Even though the sandcastle might wash away overnight, the memories would stay forever. Calm beach loop section. The waves come and go. Happy moments stay in our hearts. Sharing joy makes days brighter. Thank you for joining Peppa's summer beach party, dear little hearts. Remember, fun times are even better when we share them with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Dear Little Hearts. See you next time.